Alright guys, I am here. It is about 8:30, so it's quickly getting dark, but I wanted to give you a little update on progress on the house. We got a huge start today. It's just my parents and I right now, so I mean, we've done a lot of work for just us. However, I haven't filmed any of it because, we're working and I don't want to like stop to set up a camera, but I'm going to show you along the way, obviously. Just probably not in the moment. But look at this. Look at all these bees. Or wasps. Their nest is in there, but we blocked it off because we're trying to obviously stop it. But look, they're trying to get back in. I kind of feel bad for them. Oh, also we rented a dumpster because a lot of the furniture was not in as good condition as maybe I thought. So a lot of it is just going in here. But that's a temporary rental to be gone in a few days. Let's start with the landscaping. We pulled out a lot of weeds and we trimmed back this tree right here. This is a lot of work. There's still a lot left to be done. And then this we did a pretty good job on emptying out. So that's all we did outside. And then obviously mowed, did a little edging and stuff like that. And now let me take you inside and show you that. Okay, so here we are inside. It is very muggy in here, but we took all the carpet out. Well, in here at least. The curtains are down. I really like the black windows, I do. It's so nice and bright in here now. Look at how nice this window is. The stove is out. Obviously needs to be cleaned down there, but we'll do that with new flooring. The cabinet fronts are off of the top cabinets up here. That's about it in the kitchen. This is kind of storage area right now, but cabinets are down, old stove is out, new stove is going to go in eventually. Window treatments. The flooring was a big part. The couches are in the dumpster. They were not in good enough condition to even give to anybody, unfortunately. Couches out, carpets out. Let's see. Let's see what we got back here. The light for the hallway is back there, which I think is a little bit silly, but it is. This room we haven't done yet. Let me turn the light on. There we go. So yes, all the carpet is out here in the hallway. Bathroom, not much happening in here. Just a little storage again. Toilet's clean though. There's that. And then the bedroom carpet is out. We have some patching going on down here, but we'll figure this all out. And again, curtains are down. We're gonna paint and stuff after this. So that's it for the update. Just the main stuff is the carpet and the furniture is out and the cabinet doors are off. So thank you guys for checking out my update and I will be back with some more soon. Alright guys, I wanted to come on with a little bit more of an update for you. And I'm not sure why, but I got an email from DTE just like 20 minutes ago that said the power at the park is out. And it is. I don't have power right now. But they said it'll be on in like 2 hours. So I'm not sure what the situation is. Maybe they accidentally cut something. But I made some more progress with my parents. We took down all the upper cabinets and threw them away. That's the plan. That's my plan at least. I have to get some new subfloor right there underneath where the dishwasher was. The old dishwasher had a leak at one point. So I have to get some new subfloor there, but all the cabinets are gone. And then, let me show you some more. This room has now been floor ripped up. These little carpet things on the side though are killer. We've been having to take them all up, obviously. I hate them. They're so hard to get up. It's so hard to keep it the floor underneath it looking nice, but trying our best. So this room no longer has any floor, which is good. And then if we go into the bathroom, another little update. This mirror, this giant mirror, is glued on, which is a little, well, I mean, I understand, but I wouldn't have glued it on. However, they did. It is glued on. So it didn't come off as easily as I would have hoped, but we're going to do some shims. I think that's what they're called, and hopefully pop that off because I do want to put this mirror there. And then I don't know if I ever showed you the ceiling, but there's like some boards bracing up here. and I'm gonna stain those. I'm gonna have my own little beams in the bathroom. So I think that'll be fun. And then in here, the only thing I wanted to show you guys was that this vent, I believe, unless something is covering it, but I don't think it is, this vent is the only vent in this room. So I wanted to put my bed on this wall, and I still do, but I just don't know if it's going to be like possible or make any sense with the vent right there. So unfortunately, I think I'm going to have to move my plan around and put my bed on this wall, which is fine. But this was the wall that I wanted to put some art and stuff on, because it's plain, there's no window or anything. But I'll figure it out. I guess I'll put some stuff on this wall. I'll make it work. But I just think it's weird that that's the only vent in here. So that's the rest of the update. We're getting down to work today again. I also had a garage sale on Saturday. It was just a one-day garage sale. We opened at 9 and we closed by 2. And I made $379. I also sold the lift chair for $75 and the dining room table for $20. I know I could sell things for more, but my goal is to get things moving. And same with the garage sale. I'll put some pictures in at the end of this video. I sold a lot of stuff. I definitely could have gotten more, but $379 is awesome. I'm not complaining, and I don't really like sitting out there for that long or bartering with people. Nobody bartered about any prices because they were so cheap. But yeah, I'll put some pictures in at the end. Like I said, it was just like a 5-hour sale, so not bad for $379. But that's the rest of the update, and I will keep letting you guys know. But look how fun this wallpaper is from the 80s. Super cute with the little baskets of flowers. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back soon with more dumpster diving related videos. Thank you.